Welcome to an extraordinary facility where luxury meets industrial innovation. Inside this controlled environment, rare White Brahman bulls are raised for their exceptional quality. These bulls are the foundation of a production line that yields high-end luxury goods.
Every bull is continuously monitored to ensure peak health and quality.
Automated systems deliver tailored nutrition, preparing the bulls for the process.
The bulls move seamlessly from the paddock into the advanced processing zone. Precision harvesting begins, ensuring every part is utilized with care. The horn is harvested with surgical precision, its surface flawless. Each horn is graded and prepared for its transformation into luxury components.
Raw materials are sorted and prepared for the next stage of refinement.
Premium white hides enter the washing zone, ready for purification. High-pressure jets remove impurities, revealing the pure hide beneath. Chemical salt presses preserve and prepare the hide for tanning.
Inside the tumbling drum, the hide softens and absorbs the tanning agents. Soft, supple, and pristine, the leather is now ready for cutting. Pristine hides enter the tanning zone, ready for deep treatment.
The leather absorbs the tanning agents, transforming into a rich, supple material.
The transformation is complete. Raw hide becomes premium tanned leather.
Heat treatment stretches and smooths the leather, preparing it for cutting. The leather is now ready, smooth, supple, and perfectly prepared.
The leather is submerged in rich dyes, absorbing deep, luxurious color.
The dye penetrates deep into the hide, creating a rich, uniform tone.
The dye has fully penetrated, creating a deep, rich color throughout. The dyed leather is cured, allowing the color to set perfectly.
The leather is now cured, smooth, supple, and ready for cutting. The cured leather moves to the cutting zone for precision shaping.
The laser follows the pattern, creating perfect, seamless cuts. The cut panels are inspected, ensuring they meet the highest standards.
Perfectly cut panels now await the next stage of their transformation. Each panel is a canvas, ready to become part of a luxury masterpiece. The horns move to the shaping zone, ready to be transformed into luxury components. The CNC machine carves the horn, creating elegant, precise accessory shapes.
The shaped horn components are inspected, each one perfectly crafted. The horn components are now ready to be integrated into the final products.
Every horn component is crafted with precision and care, ready to elevate the final product.
The prepared components are arranged, ready for the final assembly.
The horn and leather components are aligned with microscopic precision. The robotic arm joins horn and leather with perfect, even stitching. The assembled panels move forward, ready for the final stage of production.
The panels are complete, beautifully crafted, and ready to become part of a luxury garment. The final assemble begins, bringing together every meticulously crafted component. Robotic precision ensures every stitch is flawless, every seam is perfect.
The finished coat is inspected, every detail meeting the highest standards.
The final products emerge, luxurious, elegant, and ready for the world.
The masterpiece is complete, a testament to craftsmanship and precision.
The finished coat takes its place in a world of refined elegance.
Every boot is a statement of quality and craftsmanship. Embrace the city. Embrace the moment. Elegance redefined.
Every horn detail is crafted with precision and elegance.
Mega MFG, where raw nature meets precision craftsmanship.
In a sunlit space, the collection's quiet elegance speaks for itself.
Every detail is crafted for the discerning eye. Precision craftsmanship, from the factory to the finest showrooms. From raw horn to luxury fashion, the journey is complete. Mega MFG, where nature and precision create timeless luxury. A legacy of craftsmanship, from raw material to refined luxury. Every grain tells a story of precision and care.
Worn with pride, crafted with precision, the journey continues.
The cycle continues, where nature and innovation meet.
Mega MFG, where precision and nature create timeless luxury.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.